Hey everyone, you're standing at the edge of a bustling marketplace, surrounded by vendors selling everything from exotic spices to rare antiques. You want to buy a specific item, but you're not willing to pay any price. You want to set a maximum price you're comfortable with and only buy the item if it's offered at or below that price. That's essentially what a limit by order is. What is a limit by order? A limit by order is a type of order placed on a cryptocurrency exchange, like Kraken, that allows you to specify a maximum price you're willing to pay for a particular cryptocurrency. If the market price of the cryptocurrency falls to or below your specified limit price, your order will be executed automatically. Why use a limit by order? There are several reasons why you might want to use a limit by order. Price control. You can set a price that you believe is fair and reasonable for the cryptocurrency you want to buy. If the market price rises above your limit price, you won't be overpaying. Risk management. Limit buy orders can help you manage your risk by preventing you from buying a cryptocurrency at a price that you believe is overpriced. Scalping. If you're a day trader or scalper, limit buy orders can be a useful tool for quickly entering and exiting trades. Accumulation. If you're a long-term investor, limit buy orders can help you gradually accumulate a position in a cryptocurrency over time. How to place a limit buy order on Kraken. Placing a limit buy order on Kraken is a simple process. Here are the steps involved. Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the trading page. Select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter your limit price. Click the Buy button. Once you've placed your limit buy order, it will be added to the order book and will be executed if the market price falls to or below your specified limit price. Example of a limit buy order. Let's say you want to buy 1 Bitcoin at a maximum price of $20,000. You would place a limit buy order for 1 BTC at $20,000. If the market price of Bitcoin drops to $20,000 or lower, your order will be executed, and you will purchase 1 BTC at the prevailing market price. Types of limit buy orders. There are several types of limit buy orders that you can place on Kraken. Good till cancel. GTC. Your order will remain active until it is executed or canceled. Good till day. GTD. Your order will be canceled at the end of the trading day. Fill or kill. FOK. Your order must be executed in full immediately or it will be canceled. Immediate or cancel. IOC. Your order will be executed immediately up to the available quantity, and any remaining quantity will be canceled. Advantages of limit buy orders. Limit buy orders offer several advantages over market buy orders. Price control. You can set a specific price you're willing to pay. Risk management. You can avoid overpaying for a cryptocurrency. Scalping. You can quickly enter and exit trades. Accumulation. You can gradually build a position in a cryptocurrency. Disadvantages of limit buy orders. However, limit buy orders also have some disadvantages. Slippage. If the market price moves quickly, you may not get your order filled at your desired price. Execution uncertainty. There is no guarantee that your order will be executed. When to use a limit buy order. Whether or not you should use a limit buy order depends on your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Limit buy orders are well suited for investors who want to buy a cryptocurrency at a specific price or who want to manage their risk. Conclusion. In conclusion, a limit buy order is a valuable tool for cryptocurrency traders who want to control their price and risk. By understanding how to place and use limit buy orders, you can improve your trading outcomes and make more informed investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.